We about to DIY some shirts. Let's get right into it.
Say, baby, I love you. Say, baby, I love you. Say my name, baby, I love you. Say, baby, I love you. Baby, I love you.
So we got bored, so we're just gonna tie-dye some shirts. So the other day I was in Walmart and I saw some sweatshirts and I decided, why not get some so we could tie-dye it, make it cute. See all these videos on TikTok of people making shirts, so we decided to make our own. By the way, happy Resurrection Sunday. You did. Let's get right into it. And you know it's not my style. We about to tie-dye some shirts.
Here she go.
Tie-dye some shirts.
This too, cause I'm gonna have a little
Splatter.
like that.
That joint gonna be mean.
What she said?
Huh? See, we come. We just tie-dyeing this sweatshirt I got for $6 at Walmart, and it's gonna be mean too when I finish it. You gonna be jealous. I already know.
I know one thing. I don't want to see a man.
I'll see you after the function.
I just made a bleach and water contraption. Just a little bit. Can't be wasting my mama bleach.
So you, what are you attempting to do?
Whatever this swirl come out to be.
I hope it come out nice.
I'm gonna leave the sleeves out because I want to control what's on the sleeve. Alright. I found this random hair tie in the crib because we ain't got rubber bands just laying around.
I seen this dude just splatter the one. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. All I know is, let me get my real glasses on because I can't even see. Ugh. See, that's better.
So like that. This is what your shirt should look like. Kind of like a cinnamon bun or like a...
This is not how her shirt looks. What? What is that? Bleach and water, dog? Hold on, I got on jeans.
Look at
The color?
it's already taking the color.
How you know? Oh.
Hey yo, my joint gonna look so tough. Y'all don't even understand. I kind of want the sleeves to be on some tough stuff. That's why I left the sleeves out like this.
You gonna have to wash it a couple times.
Hold on, yo, I gotta wash my hands.
The fact that she got a mask on yours. Yeah, I'm a sweater too. I don't know. We just trying our best like that. That's cute, right?
Yeah.
All right. If we gotta bleach it again, we will.
Remember, this is bleach and water in this bowl. 3 parts bleach, 1
You
part.
ain't never spraying your hair with this again.
Nah. That's it. Yours already taking the color because that's pure bleach. Pretty much.
And now, this is what the shirt looks like. It's wet because I rinsed it. And then we're going to put them in the washing machine and hopefully look really nice. Washing machine and dryer. This is the front. It'll look, hopefully it'll look brighter later. So. So the shirts are done drying. Kayla pulled hers out already. But here's mine. Let me lay it across the washing machine. So I laid it against the washing machine so you guys can see. This came out pretty cool. Like, they are selling sweatshirts and stuff like this online for like $60. Crew necks. This is a $6 crew neck. I did the splatter myself. You guys saw me. Again, with toilet bowl cleaner and bleach mixed with water in a spray bottle. Obviously, we're not going to use that spray bottle for hair anymore. But I think the sleeves came out pretty nice. So now the next step is getting printer paper and printing out whatever image we want. And then ironing it on the front. Hopefully this comes out really pretty. I was thinking maybe like the Penny Proud one with her with the shades, or like a Bratz doll, I don't know, or maybe a basketball player or something. But this is the front. I think this is real cool, this right here, even though it's probably gonna get covered up by the printer paper. And then let me flip it over so you guys can see the back. Like splatters, they're trying to make it like splatters and stuff. This is really cool. Well, at least it's cool to me. I love the neckline. How I got like splatters up there too. Just a regular Fruit in the Loom in the men's section. I'm hyped. Kayla decided to dye a purple one too. She's somewhere around here. I think she may be downstairs. Kayla. Yeah, she's downstairs. Make her heat press her shirt and then a purple, which is really cool. This is coming up real cool on the video though. This OD. I don't know what she's talking about. I think this is the one she's thinking about putting on there. This is the other one she was gonna put on the black one, I think. It's gonna be real cute.
Bro, like,
dang, you ain't print out mine?
you ain't never shown me which one you wanted.
The penny. Dang, you ain't even asked though. But I guess we about to see what yours come out like. First, she busy playing iMessage game. We about to see what hers comes out looking like, and then we're gonna print out mine. Let me tell y'all how Kayla's shirt came out. She used light transfer paper. If she would have used dark, it would have came out way better, but this is how it came out. It's kind of cool. And then this one came out pretty good. She left the white edges because that's how she wanted this one, but I think it looks really nice. It looks cool for a DIY project. Come on, we're at home, bored, quarantine. Yeah, just something to throw on real quick, and people might ask her, "Hey, where'd you get that sweatshirt?" I'm about to go print out mine.
Out fire.
Yeah, the purple one came out better. I'm not even gonna cap. If you would took the white off, it would have looked like it was a part of the shirt. I feel like crazy OD. But yeah, it's cool. It's still nice. We about to print out mine, and hopefully it comes out well. I'm between like two different things. An old picture of me whenever I was a baby, or this picture of 15 Cent and Penny Proud. I don't know. I'm this close to doing the baby one because I think it's kind of funny, because I literally look similar. I look really similar to what I did when I was a little kid. Literally the freaking same face. Look at this. She didn't even look. I'm gonna bump it. It's between this picture, which I feel like my family will find funny as heck, or this picture. So we'll see. So I settled on the Penny Proud and 15 Cent pick. So we're about to heat up the heat press. Black Owl. Heat it up. Lay the shirt down flat. So now we're sitting out here cutting off the ends. You have to be real meticulous with this part. Just want to cut off too much of the pig. Okay, that only took me 20 minutes to do. No, I'm just kidding. So I just finished cutting it. See how the white edges are off? Now we're gonna place it on here, and Kayla's gonna work her little magic. If anybody wants to know, we got the heat press on. We have the heat press on 50S 350 degrees.
We held it on here for about 15 seconds, no longer.
Yeah, and this is a Cricut heat press, the Martha Stewart one, the gold and white. I guess leave it now. Oh, that joint hot. What the heck?
Don't peel it yet.
I wasn't peeling it. I was gonna rub it like you did.
Not yet.
What the heck? That junk is on fire. My hand. Dang. So I'm about to peel off the picture. It's dark as heck. It looks alright.
Oh, it look good. What you mean? I like it.
Yeah, it's nice. I just wish the picture was more bold. You could see like more of the pic. But it is what it is. It's light. It's light.
Go on my page and tell me if it's up there still.
This is cute. This is light. This is cool for a cute little DIY. So guys, here is the shirt, and I hope you guys like it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like always, it's your girl Destiny Lene, and I hope this video brightens your day. Before we go, be sure to follow me on all my social media: Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. Yep, peep your girl, because I post a lot on TikTok, and I also post on my Instagram. Hit your girl up, like or comment on one of my pictures and tell me that you guys came from YouTube. By the way, we just hit 600 subscribers, and I'm so thankful for that. Road to 1K. Alright.
Say, baby, I love you. Say, baby, I love you. Say my name, baby, I love you.